Well, howdy everybody. Here we are at the bench somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Got a spider about to jump on me. Watch out, I'll get you. Hi. Don't even know how to start. I'm all confused. Got a new scope. Been playing with it. This is a Riton 3X Conquer. This is the coolest thing that if I was to recommend a scope, I would recommend this scope. And this is all thanks to J Delta 22. Please go check out that man's channel. It will be worth your while. It's Precision 22 guy. He's fun, man. He's got good equipment. And he does a great job using it. And he's just a good guy. Y'all go be sure to check out his channel and subscribe to it. Don't just check it out. Hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we have got Fiochi Field Dynamics. This is a 38 grain. And it's promising 1,250 feet per second. What is it good for? We're gonna find out. It was a bit more expensive than the CCI standard. I don't know if that means it's any better or not. It sounds like it goes faster. That's probably about it. And it is a copper-plated hollow point. Got 10 rounds loaded in the mag. We got a target down range that needs some attention. And well, if y'all seen in the last video, y'all would seen that I was getting 1-inch groups with the CCI. So wow, and that was all because of this scope. I can't take any credit for those groups. I wasn't doing that before I put this scope on, so we're real happy about this. It's a very cool addition, and let's see what we can do with this Fiochi Field Dynamics. I said we got 10 here in this magazine, and we're gonna shoot at the, I guess it's kind of like a 2-inch target down there. Let's see if we can get all of these on that target. As you can see, we already got one hole down there off the target. Hopefully we won't put any more off target. But I need to realize this ain't gonna group in the same spot as our CCI, so we're gonna see what happens. Uh-oh, that ain't looking good. Well, who knows? Yeah, who knows? One, two, three, four, five. It is a lot hotter than that CCI. Them numbers on the box are probably pretty close. but our rounds are not very close together. And they're just trying to figure out where to start grouping. Guess that was it. Bolt lock back. One in the magazine again. Let's go see how we did. Well, this ain't the most impressive round that I've ever shot through the 597. I don't know what extra $8 or $3 extra gets you on a box of ammo. That's kind of silly. No wonder I'd never used this stuff before. Ain't that bad, but it don't group like that CCI does, though. So, let's see how we did. There we go. This is it right there. That was already there from our previous outing. And I think our first round was one of these two. And then we shot way up here, and then we put another one way up there, and then we started to come together with a decent group. Maybe I shouldn't turn my back on it yet. It's 3/4 of an inch. Huh. I did not foul the barrel with that ammo. I just went straight from the CCI to shooting this, and here's 4 shots. So there's 6 right there. Tell you what, let's load up and shoot 10 more. Why not? All right. Let's get 10 more out of this box. Get them in a magazine. And we'll get them on paper. Maybe they're not too bad. Right now I do about anything to use this scope. Well, we've been shooting with it set at 18 power. And man, you can see. And the way the reticle's set up, it's got the little free floating dot in between all your crosshairs and hash marks and everything. So you don't have a big crosshair blocking your entire target. This is like 100% better. Alright, let's try this again. Probably gonna have a cold bore now. I don't really, oh yeah. Huh. All the way to the left. It's going to be interesting to see where all this mess is going. So far, I can't really tell. Hope it comes up better in the footage. Whatever's going on, I don't think it's bad. I'm going to try this. I'm going to hold on that big old top mess. I'm going to look at my crosshairs and see if I can get in the bullseye. Who'd ever thought to do that, huh? Those last two shots, I think, went in the same hole. So, man, maybe. Wow. We'll know better in the footage. Let's go see if we can see anything. Maybe this stuff ain't so bad. And how neat is this scope? And this thing, I'm so used to using junk that my brain can't process fast enough to, hey man, look where you're going, adjust. I've never had the reticle to do that with. Learning. This is all learning experience. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what those last two shots did. I know one came down real nice. That was when I said, oh shit, sorry guys. So we just went to firing a bunch more, man. I didn't see this getting bigger. I don't know if they're all going in that one hole right there, because that was already there. This is our first one, I think. Was there like a cold bore or something? Because these were here, those were there. I moved down, shot twice, but man, that doesn't look like I hit that hole twice, and I don't remember this one. But all of that mess, man, all that mess right there, I can't wait to see this footage. So I don't want to, maybe I won't be dogging on Field Dynamics right now. Until we review some footage. Looked like it did okay. I mean, no matter what. Wow. I mean, our entire mess over here. Let's look. Well, of course, it ain't impressive. I mean, we kind of figured that these two here and these over here were kind of like a Fowler shots or whatever you want to call it. And then I said, man, if that's still a group, we're still under an inch. If y'all can see that or not, but we're still under an inch. And I don't know. Wow. Very cool. This is going to be fun, man. We're going to do a bunch more shooting with this thing. That's fun. It's time to move back to 100 now. I'm feeling a little more confident about maybe doing a challenge. So I'll have to wait for that. I want to do a wee bit more testing and practice. You guys get out there and practice. You don't have to, man, when I say practice, I don't mean just with a rifle or a pistol or that kind of thing. Just practice something. If you're good at anything, you got an interest in anything in the world, man, just get out there, practice. You're going to get better, no matter what it is. Just put a little time and effort, man, and it's going to go a long ways. Learn something. Love you guys. Have a great day. We'll see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.